Right, hello guys, how are you doing? I'm going to revise with you this question, which is question number 9 from June 2019. Okay, mathematics paper 2. So without wasting much of your time, let me get into the first question, which reads: in the diagram, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which BD is a diagonal. AB is 26 centimeters, BD 24 centimeters, and ABD is equal to CBD, which is equal to 40 degrees, okay, and CDB is equal to 30 degrees. Now the first question that we have, it says calculate the area of triangle ABD. Calculate the area of triangle ABD. Okay, so simple. Let me just assist you on how to calculate the area of triangle AB. So we are being asked to calculate the area of triangle ABD. Okay, this one here. Okay, this is the triangle. So obviously the area of a triangle is just half A times B times sine C, or sine theta. Let me just write it sine theta. Okay, so A is going to be the given side times B another given side. Okay, so A and B are given sides on the question. Okay, so I'm going to say half times, I'm going to say maybe A is going to be 24, so I'm going to write 24 times 26 times sine theta. Sine theta is going to be 40, which is the given angle again. So I'm going to do this one into this one. We're going to obtain 12, and I'm going to say 12 times 26. I don't know if you are going to get what. Let me just write it. 12 times 26 times sine 40. Okay, so 12 times 26 times sine 40. If you multiply everything here, you are going to obtain 200.5 centimeters. Okay, it is going to be square centimeters because this is area. Okay, so this one can be your A, or this one can be your A, and this one can be your B, or this one can be your B. It's up to you, but always the given angle here is going to be sine theta. Right, I hope you assisted on this question. Moving on to the next question. So the correct answer here was what? Was 200.5 square centimeters. Right, the next question says the length of AD. Let me go back to the question. The length of AD. Where is AD here? Right, as you can see, this is AD. This one is AD. Okay, so if you are given something like this, you need to check something. We have the side here which is known, and also the side here which is known, and we have the angle at the middle. Kurati kana uine side uku rinozikamwa ne side uku rinozikamwa ne angle pakati. Ndakakuudzai kuti chi? Ndakakuudzai kuti unoshandisa inonzi the cosine rule. Kana une side ne side zvinozikamwa ne angle pakati, unoshandisa inonzi cosine rule to find AD. So I am going to do that. So inene kuti ndiwane AD, something like this. Let me just redraw it here. So we have 24 here, and 26 and 40 degrees, and this is A, this is D, this is B. Okay, so this is the angle. What are you going to do to get AD? You are going to say AD squared is equal to the given side squared, which can be this one, 24 squared, plus another given side squared, 26 squared, minus 2 multiplying the given side times the given side. Okay, then you say times cos the given angle, which is this one, times cos the given angle, okay, which is 40. So you are going to do that. Obviously you are going to multiply 24 to the power of 2. You are going to obtain what? Let me use a calculator here. 24 to the power 2, you are going to obtain 576 if I'm not mistaken. And then I clear this, then plus 26 squared. 26 squared, you are going to obtain 600 76, okay, minus, then if you multiply this one correctly using your own calculator, you're going to obtain 1248, then times cos 40. Then you're going to add this one. If you do it correctly, you're going to obtain 1252 minus 1248 times cos 40. Okay, so what you are going to do here is to multiply first, then you subtract. Both must, it says multiplication first, then addition, use of tail. Then you're going to have 1252 minus, if you multiply this one times this one, you're going to obtain 956. Then if you subtract this one, you are going to obtain something like 295, if I'm not mistaken. Right, then from there, what I'm going to do, this is AD squared, guys. This is AD squared. Okay, AD squared, AD squared. So you're going to remove this power 2 by finding the square root to the other side. So you're going to say AD is equal to root 295, and you're going to get AD equivalent to 17.2 centimeters if you run them correct to 3 significant figures. Right, so your correct answer is 17.2 centimeters. Done. Then moving on to the next question. Let me just check my time. Okay. Right, moving on to the next question, which is C. It says the length of BC. Where is BC? Allow me to redraw the question here. BC, okay, that one. Right, so I'm going to redraw the question here. So it's something like this. Then this is C, this is B, this is D. And we have 24 here. Then we have 40, we have also 30. Okay. So this is the question, guys. Ndatora 24, ndatora this one, ndatora yakadaro. But in any question yangu iri kunditi chaka the length of BC. Kuti ndiwane the length of BC here. Apana ending ndachashandisa kunze kutongotanga ndachaka this angle here. So ndenda kuti 30 plus 40 from 180 and 1 apart, which is 110. Okay. Then now ndavane angle inozikamwa in opposite, rinoita sei rinozikamwa, which is 24. So it becomes easy for me now to get the value of BC. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the sine rule. That sine rule inoishandisa kana une angle inozikamwa in opposite inozikamwa. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to say sine C all over its opposite, which is secant equal to sine D all over yandiri kutsvaka yangu kadiki. So sine C is equal to C is 110 all over its opposite is 24, equivalent to sine D is sine 30 all over D kadiki opposite yacho ishi, which is BC yandiri kutsvaka. Then you do cross multiplication from here. What are you going to obtain? You are going to obtain this one and this one. You're going to obtain sine 110 BC equivalent to sine 30 times 24. Then you divide both sides by sine 110 kutusana BC sine 110 both sides by sine 110. And this one and this one, they cancel each other. We're going to left with BC equivalent to this one times this one divided by this one. Directly, if you do it correctly, you are going to obtain 12.8 centimeters. Okay, that's it. So the correct answer here was 12.8 centimeters. Because of time, I can't go through everything, but let me just show you how to work this one. So ukapancha from here. So ukapancha sine 30, you are going to obtain 1. Sine 30 is 0.5, then times 24 all over sine 110 is 0.9396. So if you divide, you're going to obtain this one. So I hope you are assisted, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, for those that are joining our online lessons, please contact me on this number. So the number, I'm going to drop the number very soon. So let me do the last question. So this is it, guys. You're supposed to show you're working like this. And from there you continue like that. White panja sine 30. Let me just show you. Maybe you can think of something else. Sine 30, you see it's 0,3. Okay, then I'm going to show you again sine 110, 110. It's sine 0,93 zvichiita zvakadaro. So you divide it correctly sezvandaita apa. Then if you do it correctly, you're going to obtain the correct one, correct answer. Let me just show you strategy subject. You guys are gonna go feeling guys in this. Okay. Right, next question. The shortest distance from C to BD. From C to BD, saka iline rikubva apa richidai kusvika apa. Always parinobva uku kudai richisvika apa rinosvika richimita this line at 90. Kurati apa 90 degrees, apa 90 degrees. Okay, so that's it. So in this I redraw this part only. Iyoyi, then don't deal nayo. So I'm going to redraw the part. Yakadai so. Alright, this is D, this is B, this is C. So from C to BD, something vari kudai kusvika ndopanati apa zvikusangana at 90, apa zvikusangana 90 ndo yavari kudai. So here we have 24 and here we have 40 and here we have 30. So isusu patiri kuda kubva apa kusvika panapa, let me call this x. But remember BC taona ari 12,8. So you can use this triangle here only. So ndogona kungoita redraw this triangle inenge yakadai so. Ndangoita draw apa 90 iri papa, apa ndopana x, apa ndopana 12,8, apa ndopana 40. So for me to get the value of x here, remember this is C, this is B. For me to get the value of x here, ndotoda inoti opposite over hypotenuse, because this is my hypotenuse. Ndoda inoti opposite over hypotenuse. So what is that? Let me write chasho tau here. Chasho tau. So chasho tau inotipa opposite over hypotenuse, it's sine. So I'm going to use sine. So I'm going to say sine 40 degrees is equal to its opposite, which is x, or over its hypotenuse, which is 12,8. Then that over 1, I do cross multiplication. So 1 times x, I'm going to obtain x is equal to 12,8 times this one, which is sine 40. Okay, then we are going to continue from where we left. Right, it will be x equivalent to 12,8 times sine 40. That's fine, sine 40. It's 0,6427. Okay, 64,278. So if you multiply this one, what are you going to get? Let me show you. Then you're going to say times 12,8. Okay, so it will be 12,8 times 0,64,278. We are going to obtain 8. As you can see, it's 8 here. It's 8,222, which is going to give us 8,23. 8,23. That's it, centimeters. Done. Okay, I think you are assisted. So it's 8,23 centimeters. So done. So this was the shortest distance from C to BD. That's it. I hope you assisted, guys. Right, so this is my WhatsApp number. Let me erase some of the things here. This is my WhatsApp number, guys, for those who want to join our online lessons. 6282464. So you can WhatsApp me on this number so that you can join our online lessons as soon as possible. So this is it. Hope you assisted.